Hey guys, it's Steve from CryptoManiaks.com. Have you ever wondered why we need cryptocurrencies? Why they've gotten so popular? In this video, I'll list a few reasons why cryptocurrencies are so popular right now and why you might want to start using them yourself. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's say you owe rent money immediately. If you don't pay today, you're out of your apartment. What are your options? Well, if you're like most people that use traditional banks, your first thought might be to send a check. Sending in the mail takes several days. You'll also be crossing your fingers hoping the mail service doesn't make a mistake. So it seems like you'll be looking for a new apartment. Or maybe you could try a wire transfer. That may be quicker than sending a check, but it might not be, depending on the bank's processing time. And the big drawback with wire transfers is you'll likely have to pay large fees. Once again, it might be time to contact a real estate agent and start looking for a new place. What if there was a quicker, cheaper way to send money anywhere in the world? Well, cryptocurrencies offer us the ability to do just that. Over the past few years, cryptocurrencies have proven to be very efficient at sending large sums of money across any distance in very short periods of time. In fact, banks will soon have to compete with cryptocurrencies. When they do, they'll lower their fees and increase customer service. Competition helps everyone. However, there's one feature of cryptocurrencies that banks will never have: censorship resistance. Censorship resistance means that if you use a blockchain, you're free to spend your money whenever you want, on whatever you want, to whomever you want. No one can stop you from sending your money. Not the federal government, state government, nor any other agency. A great example of censorship resistance occurred in 2010. WikiLeaks, an international non-profit organization that upset many people, including governments, with their bold and transparent journalism. Many others found WikiLeaks' work valuable, though, and wished to donate. Supporters of WikiLeaks that tried to donate to the cause using traditional banks found their accounts frozen. Bitcoin was the one method that individuals found to send money to WikiLeaks. This is because of censorship resistance. Cryptocurrencies are also more secure than traditional banks because wealth stored on blockchains cannot be seized. Unlike money stored in banks, the government cannot order a central party to freeze your cryptocurrency assets. So why cryptocurrencies? They're fast, cheap, censorship resistant, secure. You can think of cryptocurrencies as money by the people, for the people. The days of needing a central authority to handle our wealth storage and transfers are over. Blockchains have given us a way to control our own finances that just happens to be more efficient and more secure than any pre-existing method. Now you know why cryptocurrencies are being adopted by more people every day and why they're already useful. Learn more about cryptocurrencies by reading up and watching videos on CryptoManiaks.com. I'll see you next video. Okay? Yeah. Okay.